In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find copper here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to go ahead and do is build yourself a scanner station. I'm here in my LARP station right now, and this actually allows us to go ahead and do this. But essentially, just go ahead and get a scanner station, right? And you need to interact with the scanner station. And essentially, once you do this, you can find copper or all these other materials on here. Select it, and it's going to show you all of the sources of the nearest copper next to you. It's going to show you where you are, and then everything in a 300-mile radius is going to be shown on the screen. If nothing pops up, you need to go ahead and build your base in a different area. But essentially what you need to do is, after you have that, go ahead and make your way to the mark that it is going to mark for you. As you can see, it marked it right over here. We're going to go ahead and just travel there, and you'll see copper as soon as we pull up near it. It's actually super convenient. It looks like we might have some right here. Nope, that's titanium. Right here, actually, and that's the full process. I think we got to use the gun right here to get some of this, but that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.